So this is how we broadcast a live feed using StreamYard. This is the website that you have to go to. That's StreamYard.com. And unlike other streaming applications, no, where you have to download and install an installer file for you to be able to broadcast your live feed, StreamYard is purely web-based. No, there is just this. They have this website wherein you have to do your broadcasting as compared to certain applications that are standalone, no, that you still have to install. So here in StreamYard, you have to, of course, log in. And if in case you haven't created your account yet, you have to do so. Okay, and once you are done, then you can go back to this login page, and you have to input the email address that you have created your account to, and then you have to click on the get login code. So once you have clicked on it, you have to go to your email account, no, where you have registered your account to, and you will be given a unique code or login code. So you just have to copy it, and you have to paste it here, and then click on login, right? So from there, we already have, this is your main StreamYard interface. If you have, if you're not a first timer and you already did some streaming via StreamYard, it will be placed here for you to enter such broadcast. But if not, then you have here the create broadcast na button. Then there are also destinations, and in destinations you can add your YouTube channel, your Facebook pages, and everything else, no? If they're still lacking, then you can add another destination. So going back to broadcast, in StreamYard, you can only, if you only have a free account, then you can only broadcast your channel to one account only, or your video feed to one account. But if you are a premium account user, then you can simultaneously stream your video feed to a lot. So say for example, you want to stream simultaneously in your Facebook page and in your YouTube channel, then you can do so if you have a premium account. So as of this time, we have a free unlimited hours for StreamYard. They have given this since the pandemic, no? But there is no assurance when they will be having that free trial. Until when, we do not know. But since they've given it for free right now, then maybe lubos-lubosin na natin, no? So we can make use of it. All right. So if you had if you're not a first timer anymore and you had some past broadcasts, then you can see it here in this tab, no? And you can also you can schedule a broadcast here. But if you want to do a broadcast right now, then you just have to click on create a broadcast, and you will be asked to choose, no, which channels or Facebook pages you want to stream your account. Once again, only one, no, since this is only a free account. If not, if you don't want to broadcast, you can also record only. Okay, so for now, I will choose my YouTube na channel, for example purposes. Then you have to nominate the title and description. So for now, for testing purposes, I'll write test only for title and for description. So you can set the privacy. It could be public, unlisted, or private, no? Pwede lang na ikaw lang ang makakitaan. Then you can also schedule for later. Say for example, you want to schedule this live stream at a later time, maybe next week or Monday, then you can also do so. Okay, then create broadcast. Okay, so it's creating a new broadcast studio. All right, so you can nominate your display name, the name that will be shown on your on the screen. Okay, so in my case, in my settings, I'm using my camera now. So maybe I can check other cameras. No? Did you have to check the audio? Maybe you're not using the correct microphone or not the right speaker. Okay, so you have to check on the settings first, right? So for now, I have some technical difficulties with my camera and mic, but nevertheless, for testing purposes, let's make believe na they are working fine. So for now, let us enter without mic or camera. Okay? So this is our main studio in StreamYard. Okay? So on the upper right, there is the drop down buttons. You can choose which account, if in case you have changed your mind na not on your YouTube channel, then you can choose another. Okay, so so remember, StreamYard issues a free streaming avenue, although they have a watermark, on the upper right. So merong powered by StreamYard. So since this is free, then you have to deal with having the watermark. But nevertheless, there is no limit of time. There is no limit in the number of hours. Okay, so on this right hand side, this is where all the live chats or live comments will be automatically updated. So there's no need for you to check your Facebook or YouTube from time to time if there are comments, since while you are here on the broadcast studio, it is actually available here on the right hand side. Okay, so you can choose the layouts. Say for example, you have invited other people to join in your live stream. If you are multiple users, you can choose which layout that you can you want to show from this under ng preview na panel. All right, so say for example you want to share something, you can share a video file. If you have a video, saan ba? Let's say for example, I think I have a video in one of my files. So yan, diba? I'm sharing also a video. Okay, but if not, then you can remove it. Then I can also share my screen, and you can also share the audio. So say for example, if you want to share what is being displayed on your monitor right now, it is encouraged that you have two monitors. Perhaps you have a laptop and an extra monitor para it's easier. Although you can still do it without having two monitors. So you can share your screen there. Okay. So once you click on share screen, since right now I am having dual monitor, you can check, you can share your entire screen. You can select a window lang ba? Is it a browser or anything that is running, no, on your PC right now, or perhaps a Chrome tab, no, pwede din. And if you want to share the audio, no, please do not forget to tick on this, no, because by default it is not ticked, no, itong share audio. So you have to do so. Okay? So for now, you just have to click on share, on the share button, for your screen to be shared. So for now, I won't be sharing my screen, but I want you to know that, say for example, you're inviting someone, no, to join your live stream. You just have to click on this, itong may invite na button just beside share. Then you just have to copy this, no? You just have to copy this, and you can share such link to someone that you want to be included in the stream. So makikita din sila ang camera nila. They will be entering the studio, although they don't have the controls, no, they will not have the controls, but they will see what is happening, kung how you are interacting with each other, right? And then you can also select banners, no, say for example you want to have something underneath, a text, pwede. Then pwede ding brands, no? Say for example, you want to create your brand, pwede yan sa create brand, no? You just have to create your name. Then there is also a private chat, perhaps among you, no? Among those that you have invited, you can create a private chat. And the same settings can be seen, no, on the settings tab. So once you think that you are ready, once you think na you are good to go live, then you're ready, and you can now press on the go live button, no? So once you go live, automatically you will be seen perhaps publicly, of course, once you go on your live stream. So that's one good thing about StreamYard, no? Because in other applications, just like OBS, you have to it is kind of manual, no? You have to manually set up the settings. You have to manually key in the stream key, and everything else, no, is done manually. But here in StreamYard, automatic na. You just have to register what accounts that you have to register, no? And then you don't have to go to your channel's studio, no, sa YouTube or in your Facebook Live na production. Automatically this will go live stream on your chosen account. All right, that's it. It's very easy for using StreamYard. All right.